Hi everyone, this is Teacher George, and today's lesson is how to block the annoying ads on YouTube. So, the first thing you need to do is first open Google Chrome. After that, you're going to go to these three dots, click on there. Well, right now, all the options are displayed. As you can see, well, they're in Spanish. I haven't changed the language. Anyway, where you need to go, like where you need to go is to configuración. In English, this is called settings. So you click there, and after that, you're gonna have these options, and I want you to go to extensiones, or in English, it would be extensions. So you click there, and after you click there, you need to go to the left part where you have these three lines. You're gonna click there, and then go to the very bottom of the screen, and there you have like open Chrome Web Store. So you're gonna click there, and there you have I think it's like Google Store, but in this case is Chrome Web Store. So you're just gonna search for this app. So you're gonna go to Adblocker. You're gonna click there, and here you have is the very first option where it says Adblock para YouTube, or for YouTube. So you just click on add the extension to Google Chrome, or in Spanish would be añadir a Chrome. So you click there, and you basically accept the application to be added. So it's just like verifying. So we need to wait for just a couple of seconds. And then it says Adblock para YouTube has been added to Chrome. So here's the symbol. So now you can enjoy all your videos from YouTube without the annoying ads. So hope you like it.